Have you ever wondered how broiler farmers raise their day-old chicks to attain a weight of 2.5 kg at day 35? It is the joy of every broiler farmer to attain the desired weight stated by the breeder at the specified period. It is more joyful to the farmer if this weight stated by the breeder is exceeded. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your broiler chicken grow fast and attain 2.5 kg weight at day 35 without using booster of any kind. Hey friends, welcome to Farm Biz with Make. If we haven't met, my name is OJ. I have been into poultry farming since 2020. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for checking out my videos. Okay. In attaining this 2.5 kg weight at day 35, the very first thing you do is to select the best breed of broiler and the best hatchery that supply that breed or strain. Then purchase your chicks through a trusted supplier with proven record. This is very important. If you miss this step, no matter what you do, your broiler may not give you the result you want. On arrival, kindly take the average weight, as this will serve as a guide in determining the average weight at day 7, day 14, and day 21, and so on. Day 7 weight is very, very, very important. I know why I'm stressing on this. Because at day 7, you should have the arrival weight times 4 point something. That is why you have to take this first week seriously. Then on arrival, after taking the average weight, ensure you administer electrolyte to the chicks. That is, either you give glucose or honey in their water to ease transportation stress. Ensure you give high quality feed. This is very, very important. Don't go for less, because what you want is to get the weight you want within the shortest period as possible. Don't compromise on quality. Ensure you go for quality feed. In knowing the best quality feed available in your area, ensure you carry out your research to know this. You can ask the farmers around the best quality feed that can give you a maximum result. They will be happy to tell you. Then avoid depriving the birds feed, but do not practice dump feeding. What do I mean by dump feeding? Don't just pack the feed in the tray feeder or in the chicks feeder and then go and rest. Now, what I mean by not practicing dump feeding is to ensure you put what the birds can finish within the first 2 hours to 3 hours. After which you come, remove any poo that you find in the feed or any wood shave you find in the feed, and then add to the feed. That's what I mean by not practicing dump feeding. In this case, they don't waste the feed. Do not overstock. This is also very, very important. Do not overstock. That is, stock based on the resources available to you. Stock based on what your resources can cater for and what the space available in your pen can handle. This is because as broilers grow, they will need more space, and if deprived, it will affect your output. So ensure you look at the space you have available, you look at your pocket, is what I have, will it be enough for me to raise this number of birds before stocking? Then provide lighting all through the first 4 weeks. Though some school of thought suggest you provide at least 4 hours of darkness after day 7. Ensure you provide cool quality water at all times. Any water you cannot drink, please do not give to the birds, as this will affect them greatly. Avoid buildup of ammonia in the pen and change your litters as at when due. Now, how do you observe this buildup of ammonia? When you open the door to enter into your pen, as you step in, you feel some pepperish sign in your eye. That means the ammonia level is very high and it will affect the bird greatly. Now, what causes this? It's possible the ventilation is very poor within that pen. So ensure there is cross ventilation in the brooder and in the pen. Avoid feed wastage by using good feeder with rope adjuster. That's after about week 1. So set the feeder at the appropriate height. Ensure you change to another form of feeder as at when due. Also ensure you raise the drinkers as the chicks grows. because if you leave it on the floor, they are going to spread wood shave or sawdust in the water, and this will be good for them. Ensure you administer your medications as at when due. That includes vaccination. As at when due, you follow your vaccination chart and your medication chart religiously. This is very important. Next is to ensure you sort your beds at week 3 to week 4 and administer multivitamins and increase the feed that you will feed to the smaller ones in order to ensure uniformity among your flock. Now, next is to administer anti-coccidiosis and anti-CROD, that is anti-crude respiratory diseases, as at when due. That is to say, you follow your medication chart effectively. Practice feed control as from week 4. What do I mean by feed control? You don't give them feed, especially during sunny day within this period, because to prevent sudden death syndrome and heat stress, this is very important. You don't give them feed during sunny day. So to control their feed, ensure you feed early hour of the day and late evening. So say from 5 a.m. till 10:30, 11, you remove the feed, you leave the feed up. Then during that time they don't have feed. You ensure you supplement their drinking water with multivitamins. Then ensure you flush the watering system in case you are using nipple drinkers or bear drinkers. Ensure you flush the watering system regularly to ensure cool water at all times. But if you are using manual drinkers, ensure you pour out the water in the drinkers and then replace with cool water. Now, change your litters weekly or in every 2 weeks, depending on how damp the litter is, because it's not supposed to be damp, as this will cause stress to the birds if not changed. And once the birds are stressed, they won't eat well and they won't give you the result you want. Also, try to reduce the noise level, especially during week 1 that you are brooding. Now, in preventing coccidiosis, it starts from cleaning and disinfecting the pen before introducing the day-old chicks. What do I mean? Ensure you clean and disinfect the pen properly with the use of the appropriate chemicals before stocking your day-old chicks. Don't just sweep the place without disinfection, then bring in your day-old chicks. It may make the chicks mortality to be very high. So don't do that. Ensure you clean, disinfect before introducing your day-old chicks. Now, in case there is any spillage during brooding or after brooding, ensure you pack that spot properly and then replace with another litter. This will prevent the spread of coccidiosis in the pen. Lastly, ensure you take biosecurity seriously. This is also very, very important. Do not allow visitors into your pen because your pen is not a recreational center. And also ensure you practice the same cloth in the pen. That is, ensure is the same cloth you wear in the pen is what you use to enter the pen. For instance, when you are just coming from outside, you don't need to use that cloth to enter into your pen. So what do I mean? Ensure you pull the cloth that you are just using to come in and then wear the cloth you use inside the pen before entering the pen. Make provision for food dip, that's food bath at the entrance. That is, whoever is going into the pen who must dip his or her feet inside that food bath before entering the pen. And lastly, the shoe that you use inside the pen, do not use it outside. Ensure it's strictly for the pen. This is to guide against the spread of diseases in the pen. Doing this that I've stated so far, at day 35, you are sure of getting 2.5 kilogram average weight without booster. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment in the comment section below, as this will go a long way in helping me to grow my channel and reach a larger audience. Thank you.